Ollama versus Gemini. Which AI assistant is better for your needs? Discover how choosing between Ollama and Gemini can transform your productivity and creativity without dealing with complex setups or limited capabilities. Ollama and Gemini are powerful AI assistants designed to enhance your workflow. Ollama focuses on local AI model hosting for privacy and control, while Gemini offers cloud-based integrated AI with advanced conversational abilities. The core difference lies in deployment and accessibility. Ollama is a platform that enables users to run and manage AI models locally on their devices, prioritizing privacy and customization. It works by allowing you to download and host various large language models directly, eliminating the need for constant internet access. This setup gives users full control over their data and model behavior. Strengths of Ollama include its offline functionality, enhanced data security, and flexibility to experiment with different AI models. However, it requires a certain level of technical knowledge to install and optimize models, and it depends on your device's hardware capabilities. Ollama is ideal for developers, researchers, and privacy-conscious users who want to harness AI without relying on cloud services. It's especially suited for those who prefer full ownership over their AI environment and want to avoid data sharing with third parties. Gemini is a cloud-based AI assistant developed by Google, designed to offer seamless conversational AI experiences integrated with Google's ecosystem. It operates by leveraging powerful cloud infrastructure to deliver real-time responses, natural language understanding, and multimodal capabilities like text, images, and code generation. Gemini's strengths lie in its accessibility from any device, continuous updates, and deep integration with Google services, making it highly user-friendly. Limitations include dependency on internet connectivity and potential privacy concerns since data is processed on Google servers. Gemini is perfect for everyday users, professionals, and businesses that want an AI assistant that's easy to use, always up to date, and capable of handling diverse tasks without the need for technical setup. It suits those who prioritize convenience, broad functionality, and cloud-powered intelligence. Comparing Ollama and Gemini highlights a trade-off between control and convenience. Ollama excels when you need privacy, offline access, and the ability to customize AI models on your own hardware. For example, researchers working with sensitive data benefit from Ollama's local hosting. On the other hand, Gemini shines with its cloud-based approach, offering instant access, effortless updates, and integration with Google's services, ideal for users who want a ready-to-use assistant on any device. If you have a stable internet connection and prefer a plug-and-play experience, Gemini is advantageous. Yet, if you want to avoid cloud dependency and maintain full data control, Ollama is the better fit. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities around privacy, accessibility, and technical involvement. Choose Ollama if you value privacy, offline use, and control over AI models, especially for advanced users and developers focusing on secure, customizable AI solutions. Option Gemini if you want a versatile, cloud-powered AI assistant with seamless Google integration and easy accessibility across devices. It's perfect for users seeking convenience, broad capabilities, and continuous improvements without the need for technical setup or local resources.